Have you got a special property that needs a great building? Are you looking for a sleeping bunkie, tool shed, garden house, resort cabin, or even a full-sized year-round home? There is an easier, simpler way than conventional construction, and it's assembling a kit from Easy Log Structures. Manufactured in Europe, this creative method of construction was introduced to North America in 2010. Today, there are dealers across Canada and the USA that retail our prefabricated kits that are ready to assemble with minimal tools. We offer models ranging from 35 square foot sheds to full-size 2,000 square foot cabins and homes. Each kit is complete with exterior walls, interior walls, windows, doors, and even hardware. If we don't have a design for you, we will custom build to your specifications. Do you want to get your building up fast? Nothing goes up quicker than an Easy Log structure. Components are numbered and ready to stack. Exterior and interior walls are made with precision milled Norwegian spruce logs that interlock at the junctions and stack using a deep tongue and groove joint. These rectangular logs form the complete wall surface for both inside and outside and offer some exceptional thermal insulating qualities, keeping the weather outdoors where it belongs. Now, you don't need to be a builder to put one of these up. The kits are designed so that most can assemble and no heavy equipment is required. But not everyone has the time or inclination to do the work themselves. So many Easy Log structure owners hire professional builders or contractors to do the work for them. Either way, there is no quicker option for getting a beautiful building up in record time, ideal for remote building sites and island properties. Each Easy Log Structures kit is complete, so there's no running back and forth to the hardware store for supplies. Our Basic series are built with 1 1/8 inch logs, and the Classic series uses a 1 5/8 inch log. These decorative sheds assemble quickly and are ready to use as offices, hot tub and swimming pool change rooms, she sheds, man caves, game rooms, bunkies, or any extended living space. While our Premium series uses a 2 3/4 inch wall log, providing a solid wood cabin or home that meets building codes across North America. The Premium models can be assembled on a concrete slab, a wooden floor, or over a crawl space or basement. Easy Log Structures is about more than great buildings. We're also about great people working to help you. Our dealers are standing by to offer you the kind of personal, one-on-one service we've built our reputation on. Get that cottage, guest house, storage shed, dock house, or small workshop now. You won't find an easier or simpler way to make the most of your special property.